Renegade Portable Fire Pit Table provides all the features of a traditional gas fire pit, but is more compact and easy to transport. This durable fire pit table makes traveling fun and stress-free. It's perfect for camping, RV trips, tailgating, parties, and more.
The Renegade includes a convenient carrying bag, matching burner cover, and clear fiberglass gems. It is easy to transport and fits in many trunks or storage compartments. The Renegade is compact and easy to assemble. Simply unpack the unit from the carrying bag, tighten the connections on the burner and gas lines. Attach and secure the legs. After assembling, flip the table over. Now attach to your fuel source. Press in the sparker and turn the gas valve on to operate. Once the flame is going, simply adjust the height to the desired output. The burner is UL listed for safety and produces up to 55,000 BTUs. The Renegade can also be used without the legs flat on the ground if desired, or as a versatile side table. It is made of powder-coated diamond plate steel for durability. A propane tank also fits underneath. When you're ready to go, simply disconnect your gas source and pack back up. Let the unit cool for 30 minutes after use before putting the burner cover back on. Flip the table over, remove the legs, and store in the convenient carrying bag. Now you're ready to go.